this came a whole week earlier than expected, which is nice. Oh, it was really skew. Anyhow, I was skeptical about these wells. They were a bit big, hey? I think the pans must all go inside this as well. The nice thing about it is it's magnetic, so they will definitely stick to the pan. But I don't know if I like them. They're enormous. Maybe for gouache. And then I got myself a porcelain palette because I was tired of struggling with this big palette. They're also porcelain, very nice. Great for when you want to do like a bigger wash, but very impractical if you want to paint with 12 colors. Yes, very nice. Okay, now we have a multi-color palette to play with. This is going to be exciting, but I'm not so sure about this. It's not quite what I envisioned. It looked, I don't know, smaller to me on the video, but the whole idea for me was to remove this cardboard cover and use these in there because they're magnetic. Then I can put oops, you guys, them in here, or maybe like so. But I don't know about these wells. I don't know, there's nothing wrong with them, it's just something new. I'm sort of used to these kind of wells. These ones are bigger and then you have a little bit of a lip. Maybe for gouache. Because I think one sort of second guessing is because nice. It definitely is doing what it says it will. It clicks in because it's got magnets. That's very nice. So I got this many because there's that many colors. So I think I'll give it a try. But I did see another brand has something like this, a little bit smaller, I think. And it's a porcelain version of this that looks like this, and it has a second dish like this on top, and it all fits in a tin. That's very nice. But yeah, seeing that July is World Watercolour Month, this is going to be exciting because I plan to join in on the fun of July Watercolour Month, seeing that I've got these fabulous new watercolors from Core. So I must decide, am I gonna these magnets are nice and strong. should I do it like that? Because then I think I've got less chance to contaminate the next color when you pick up your color here. Yes, I think that's what I'm going to do. Okie dokie. Let me put out some color, but this time I want to do it my way. Like that, and the yellow. Where did the yellow ochre go? No, man. What the hell? What's this? Macaron gold deep. Nickel as a yellow. Where did the I'm short a color and I don't know what happened to it. What the hell? Oh, found ya. I was just like, where did you go? Okay, yellow ochre. Then quinacridone gold deep. Yes. And I think then one of these two, alizarin crimson or pyrrole clear. Let's do that. Yes, even better. And then we'll carry on this side like that. And then I'll put the grey in between. And then ultramarine and grey. I think that works well. Or opposite way. Like that. I like that more. Okay. So I'm not going to squeeze out all the paint. I'm just going to add a little worm like that. Wow, it's so sticky. Let go of me, mama. Okay, we can just put that away. And then there's space on them. I can put a sticker with the name of the color, which is also nice. Then you don't forget, because that's really going to be helpful for me, because I tend to call the colors other names. I rebrand everything in my mind, because I wrote the color of these ones on the sides of these wells, but it's not like I can see it, so I just have to remember. Yes. Oh, come now. Okay, and then the quinacridone gold deep. Oh my word. There we go. And then the pyrrole clear, pyrrole red light. And then burnt sienna. blue. Okay. And then alizarin crimson. I didn't know that I was going to love this red so much. Red is not really my color, but since I discovered alizarin crimson, it's changed my opinion a little bit. Oh, stop oozing. Anyway. Use that a lot anyway. And I also like this phthalo green blue shade. Not phthalo blue, phthalo green. You see? Oh God. How to get color on everything. Ask Gideon to decant paint. Welcome in my world. Ultramarine. And Plains Grey. Fabulous. Right. Now I can bring these together, and these I can store in my drawer. So people, there I have it. I can still finish all of that paint up and use them as mixing wells along with this, and that's going to be fabulous. So now you can mix a range of color for your painting, and I don't have to wipe away every 5 seconds to clean up space. I can even put my crayon there. Maybe not that.